Hey guys! So if you've seen some of my previous videos, I do a lot of unboxing and reviews of home arcade machines. I've done reviews on a pinball machine right behind me. I have a mini crane game machine. I also have a gumball machine, one of those mini arcade with 2,000 games on there. And my dream is to own and have like a home mini arcade. And a lot of you guys have shown interest that you too want to own some of these machines. But I know that these machines cost a lot of money. And so I'm starting a series called Extra Cash where I'm going to show you guys some ways that you can make money online and you can buy some of these things with the disposable income. I'm going to talk about 4 different survey sites. And those 4 different survey sites are PriceRebel, SurveyMini, Google Surveys, and Amazon Turks. And those are all sites that I've personally tested and used for many years. PriceRebel is probably the longest one that I've committed to, and it's paid out the most. I started it when I was in high school. As a high schooler, it's kind of hard to find extra money. It's hard to find a job. And so I found online surveys to be an effective way to get the extra cash to buy video games or anything that I want to buy when I was in high school. PriceRebel was also the first site that started my home arcade. This is one of the things that I got from PriceRebel. This was a custom order from eBay, and it is a candy dispenser where you put the quarter in there and then you shoot it, and if you make it inside that hole, you win candy and you win a prize. It's really cool. And this was equivalent to $60. And so I had to earn $60 worth of points in PriceRebel. I've also gotten a lot of different things. I've gotten game remote controls, games itself. Yeah, and it's paid out a lot over the years, and I still use it till now. I don't use it as much right now, but I think it's still a good website with legit surveys that you don't have to pay a single dime. You just have to put your time in there. Because if you find survey sites that actually ask for credit card, or your social security or any type of payment, or you have to purchase something, I think those sites are kind of scammy, and I wouldn't do those. And so this site definitely does not ask for any of those. They do ask for your email, so I would recommend creating an email that is specifically for this website, so you don't get a lot of emails on that email. But other than that, I mean, they do pay out. They pay out either in prices. They have a price list of things that you can redeem, or you can custom order from different sites like Amazon, eBay, or you can cash out in PayPal, which I've been doing lately, and they just send it to your PayPal right away. This is what the homepage of PriceRebel looks like. You can see that there's different categories and providers for surveys. But before we go into the surveys, I want to show you my reward history. And you can see that my last reward was last year, and I got a custom PayPal payout for $48. And you can just cash out as little as 500 points, even less than that, which is $5 PayPal money. And here's my stats. Like right now I have 145 points, which is $1.45. But my lifetime points, I've earned $665 from surveys, and I've claimed 20 rewards. Let's try out one of the surveys. It tells you what to do in order to receive points. It says, number 1, click on either the blue or green button. Enter your info, click submit, check your box for the follow-up email, and then you get points. Okay, what did they say? Click on the blue or green. I'm guessing this is the blue button. So I don't see a green button. Then you just click through it, and then you enter your email. This is where I said that you need a separate email for this. You click on it, you activate it, and then you get points. Then another way to earn is just watching videos. like this one, and it says watch the latest food video, and then you watch the ad. And then you watch the actual video. And this video is about faux noodle dish. And that's basically it. You just click and watch videos on your spare time, and you can earn some extra cash. So if you enjoyed this video and if you found out about Price Rebel this way, I'd really appreciate if you use my link below to sign up for Price Rebel. So the next type of survey that I'm going to talk about is Survey Mini. Now Survey Mini is more limited on what you can redeem, but there's a lot of things that you can redeem on there, like free pizza, free movie tickets, and sometimes they have gift cards on there to various stores. And they're really easy surveys too. And it's based on where you go. So the app will actually get your location. Let's say you go to Walmart or Taco Bell. The survey will ask you, how was your Taco Bell experience? How was your Walmart experience? And then you earn a lot of points that way. You can accumulate and you can get free stuff. For me, I've gotten 2 free pizzas from there. It was a $10 gift card to a pizza place, and I've redeemed it. My mom has redeemed pizza too. And it's just, it's very easy. The next thing I want to talk to you about is Google surveys. And Google surveys are surveys provided by Google. And I think they're based on your search history, your location, and app usage. I've gotten surveys that are from 1 to 10 questions long. And they're also worth from 10 cents up to $1, $2, maybe even higher, depending on what type of surveys they are. There's some surveys that ask you to take a picture of your receipt if you're comfortable in sharing that. And they also give you a bigger payout whenever you do that. And these points that you accumulate, you can use on the Google Play Store to either buy movies, ebooks, and you can use them for in-game app purchases. So while you can't actually use those Google points to buy physical objects, there is a way that you can hack the system because you can use it on in-app purchases from the Google Play Store. And there's apps that offer free hotel stays, free shows, free other things. And you can use those Google Play points to buy in-app purchases on those apps that give out free things. And so you can kind of hack that system. You're doing free things here to boost up the free things on this app. And I'll show you guys those hacks a little bit later on a future video. So stay tuned for that. That's why you should subscribe to my channel and push the bell notification because new videos are coming out. So the last thing I want to talk about is Amazon Turks, and it is from Amazon. And these things are more of a job instead of surveys. But I still call them surveys because they're quick, easy gigs that you can do on your spare time. Some of these things pay out from, again, $1 up to $100, $200, $500, depending on what type it is. And I think these things are things that can't be done with a robot or a machine or algorithm, and they actually need humans to do these mundane work. For example, I've seen one where you have to watch a movie and you have to tell them all the bad scenes. Sometimes it's identifying things on a map. Sometimes it's just a regular survey where they ask you what your opinion is if you've ever bought this product. I hope you found this episode informative. I know that getting arcade games, playing with them, building the collection is super fun. But in order to have that fun, we all need a little extra cash. I want to make more episodes of these types of things, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think of this video. Also, if you know extra ways to make extra cash and you want me to try it out, feel free to comment below and I could try it on my next video. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.